For those looking to embark on a thrilling underwater adventure, scuba diving offers an unparalleled experience that unveils a whole new world beneath the ocean surface. While the prospect of scuba diving may seem daunting to beginners, there are numerous destinations around the globe that cater specifically to newcomers, ensuring a safe and enjoyable experience. Hi, welcome to Scuba Diving Channel. For today's video, we will explore some of the best scuba destinations for beginners, providing insights into what makes these places unique and why they should be at the top of your scuba diving bucket list. Number 10. Florida. Florida, often referred to as the Sunshine State, is a diverse paradise with its extensive coastline, warm waters, and diverse marine life. One of the most popular scuba diving areas in Florida is the Florida Keys, a string of islands located off the southern tip of the state. Key Largo in particular is renowned for John Pennicamp Coral Reef State Park, the first undersea park in the United States. With its shallow and calm waters, this park offers an excellent opportunity for novice divers to explore colorful coral formations and encounter a variety of marine species, such as parrotfish, angelfish, and even the occasional nurse shark. Number 9. Belize. Belize, nestled in the heart of the Caribbean, is a hidden gem for scuba diving enthusiasts. The country boasts the second largest barrier reef system in the world, the Mesoamerican Barrier Reef, making it a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a haven for divers of all skill levels. Ambergris Cay, located off Belize's northern coast, is a mecca for scuba divers. The famous Hol-Chan Marine Reserve, accessible for San Pedro, is a must-visit destination for beginners. The reserve features shallow, protected areas teeming with marine life, making it perfect for introductory dives. Swim alongside nurse sharks, stingrays, and schools of colorful fish as you marvel at the breathtaking coral formations. Number 8. Egypt. Egypt, a land steeped in ancient history, offers a treasure trove of scuba diving opportunities, particularly along its coast along the Red Sea. With its warm waters, exceptional visibility, and diverse marine life, Egypt is a fantastic destination for beginner divers seeking an extraordinary experience. Sharm el-Sheikh, located on the southern tip of the Sinai Peninsula, is a renowned diving hub with a wide range of dive sites suitable for all levels. Ras Mohammed National Park, just south of Sharm el-Sheikh, is a protected marine area known for its vibrant coral reefs and impressive marine biodiversity. Beginners can explore shallow dive sites like Yolanda Reef and Shark Reef, where they can encounter schools of colorful fish, turtles, and even gentle reef sharks. Number 7. Hawaii. Hawaii, with its captivating beauty both above and below the water, is an ideal destination for aspiring scuba divers. The Hawaiian Islands boast a unique marine ecosystem, showcasing a fascinating array of marine life. Oahu, the most populous island, offers fantastic dive sites for beginners. Hanauma Bay Nature Preserve, located on the southeastern coast, is a protected marine area renowned for its clear waters and abundance of marine species. As a snorkeler's paradise, beginners can ease into the world of scuba diving and explore the vibrant coral reefs alongside sea turtles, butterfly fish, and moray eels. Number 6. The Bahamas. The Bahamas, an archipelago of stunning islands in the Atlantic Ocean, is a magnet for divers seeking an exceptional underwater adventure. With its clear, turquoise waters and thriving marine life, the Bahamas offers a range of diving experiences suitable for beginners. Nassau, the capital city, is an ideal starting point for new divers. Stewart Cove's Dive Bahamas offers a Discover Scuba Diving program, where beginners can undergo a brief training session before embarking on an easy dive in shallow waters. You'll have the chance to encounter colorful coral formations, tropical fish, and perhaps even a friendly Caribbean reef shark. Number 5. Australia. Australia's iconic Great Barrier Reef stretches over 2,300 kilometers along the Queensland coast. is the world's largest coral reef system and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The Great Barrier Reef promises an unparalleled experience, and even beginners can partake in this underwater adventure. Cairns, a popular gateway to the reef, offers numerous dive operators catering to all skill levels. From introductory dives on shallow coral homies to certified dives exploring breathtaking wall formations, the options are limitless. Prepare to be amazed by the kaleidoscope of colors displayed by vibrant corals and the enchanting marine life, including clownfish, reef sharks, and the majestic humpback whales during their migration season. Number 4. Mexico. Mexico's diverse diving opportunities cater to both novices and seasoned divers alike. One of its most extraordinary attractions is the Yucatan Peninsula cenotes, natural sinkholes that open up to a vast underground cave system. The cenotes offer a unique experience where divers can explore mesmerizing cave formations and observe captivating light displays. Beginners can opt for cenote dives with professional guides, ensuring a safe and unforgettable adventure. Off the Baja California Peninsula lies the Sea of Cortez, hailed as the aquarium of the world by the legendary Jacques Cousteau. The Sea of Cortez boasts a rich marine biodiversity, with encounters ranging from playful sea lions to enormous whale sharks. Cabo San Lucas and La Paz are popular diving hubs, offering diverse dive sites for enthusiasts of all levels. Number 3. Galapagos Islands. The Galapagos Islands are famous for their unique wildlife, and the magic continues beneath the waves. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is a dream destination for advanced divers, offering exhilarating drift dives and encounters with an abundance of marine species. From June to November, divers can swim alongside graceful hammerhead sharks and mighty manta rays, while the December to May season brings encounters with majestic whale sharks. Be prepared for thrilling currents and cold waters, as well as unforgettable sightings of marine iguanas, sea turtles, and playful sea lions. Number 2. The Philippines. With over 7,000 islands, the Philippines is a haven for scuba diving enthusiasts. Each island offers unique dive experiences, from wall dives to wreck dives and encounters with rare critters. Malboal in Cebu is renowned for its sardine run, where millions of sardines create mesmerizing swirling formations. Puerto Galera in Mindoro boasts beautiful coral reefs and diverse marine life, including nudibranch and pygmy seahorses. For more adventurous divers, Tubataha Reefs Natural Park is a UNESCO World Heritage Site with pristine waters and impressive shark encounters. Number 1. Indonesia. Indonesia's sprawling archipelago is a paradise for divers, featuring some of the most sought-after dive destinations in the world. Bali, with its laid-back atmosphere and warm waters, caters to divers of all levels. Explore the vibrant coral reefs of Minyangan Island or embark on a manta ray expedition in Nusa Penida. The Komodo National Park, another UNESCO World Heritage Site, offers encounters with the legendary Komodo dragons on land and thrilling drift dives along its underwater cliffs. For macro enthusiasts, Raja Ampat is a hidden gem, boasting the highest marine biodiversity on the planet, with sightings of rare critters like the flamboyant cuttlefish and the mimic octopus. Scuba diving opens up a whole new dimension of exploration and wonder for adventure seekers, and the destinations mentioned above offer the perfect starting points for beginners to embark on this thrilling journey. Just always remember that safety always comes first in scuba diving. Before traveling to any of these destinations, ensure you choose a reputable dive center with certified instructors to guide you through your diving education. What do you think about this topic? Share your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Scuba Diving channel. I'll see you in the next video.